Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are anything like me, you probably find yourself reaching for your most loved serving dishes over and over again. And for me recently, a new favorite has definitely become this Swuut large serving bowl. I am totally in love with the simple styling, the creamy white color, and the matte finish of this bowl. I think it blends in seamlessly with a wide variety of table settings. It can definitely work for me if I want to have like a formal dinner party kind of thing, but it's also great for casual family dinners too. I love that this bowl has a flat bottom and a wider surface area opening. I find that this makes it easier to dish the food out of the bowl, and if I want to mix a salad or maybe some roasted veggies in the bowl, the wider surface area makes it much simpler for me to do that too. This serving bowl is so classic and it serves so many purposes. I know that it's going to be making its appearance on my dining room table frequently in the future. And that's my point of view.